This is Blessing Awudibu, aka a force of nature. He was born in Ireland and is a celebrated bodybuilder and an entertaining star on social media. He is famous for his huge body and aesthetic physique. Blessing is a very successful bodybuilder, boasting 2 Arnold Classic titles as well as 4 IFBB complete championships. He gained attention through his efforts both inside and outside the sport, which led him to great popularity. Blessing was not always a picture of strength or success. He was underweight growing up. Gymming was initially a hobby in which he hoped to gain strength and size. Therefore, he devoted much of his time and energy to the pursuit of academic excellence with the prospect of furthering his career in college. When this unfortunately became impossible, he decided to shift his focus to the weight room, looking to see how far bodybuilding could take him. In 2016, Blessing won the Arnold Classic as an amateur, making sure the world knows how much talent he has. Since then, Blessing Awudibu was able to repeat this achievement in 2017, before earning his pro card at the IFBB Diamond Cup later that year at his first international show. A week later, he was heading to Portugal for the IFBB Diamond Cup Espinho, getting another novice win here and winning his second pro card. However, the global epidemic hampered his ability to compete for the first time, forcing the closure of Arnold Classic Australia 2020. One of the ways Blessing Awudibu is able to keep his fame and fortune alive is by his great following on Instagram. Interestingly, a good portion of more than 1.6 million followers has become his fan without knowing about his bodybuilding ventures. Instead, he found his fans due to his hilarious gym sketches and good sense of humor. He says that this funny side of him is natural, and he hopes to change some of the stigma about bodybuilders, as they are generally taken as aggressive and rude. When it comes to training, Blessing Awudibu usually focuses on his weaker body parts twice a week. However, he loves to work on his triceps as it is his favorite body part. Apart from this, Blessing feels that his legs are a bit weak because he used to focus on the upper part of the loin. So nowadays he focuses more on that. Depending on the cardio, he tries to work out 2 or 3 times a week. He prefers to do 20 to 25 minutes on the Stairmaster, but he also does 5 to 10 minutes on the treadmill regularly. There is still much to be seen in Blessing Awudibu about his perfect bodybuilding. Yet there is no denying his physical gifts and great physique. It is also a testament to the fact that there are ways for bodybuilders to make a name for themselves without competition before their athletic career really begins. Therefore, it will be interesting to see how this young and talented athlete progresses in the future. That's all from our side at the moment. Do visit our YouTube channel if you like this information, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon for more future updates. Thanks for watching.